It's a warning. As it touches the seafloor, it kills whatever living thing it contacts by encasing it in a tomb of ice. New sea ice forming above leaves behind brine that is so extremely salty. As it descends, the seawater around it freezes instantly and forms a sheath of ice, a brinicle that grows downwards towards the seafloor. Winter is reaching down from the cold world above. As it touches the seafloor, it kills whatever living thing it contacts by encasing it in a tomb of ice. Another, more constant attack rises from below. Currents bring up this colder water and it turns to ice, covering everything that can't move away from it. And then the ice, being lighter than water, begins to float, lifting away anything attached. So the ice cleanses the seafloor and strews the ceiling above with remnants of life from below.